Option B says the stress is on NO. Option C says the stress is on PHO. While option D says the stress is on BIA. So, what are we going for?
C.
C. Okay. Okay, everybody's going for C. Let me write it down. Let me write it somewhere. We have C. Two people are going for C. Do we have any contradictory answer? Do we have any contradictory answer? Okay. Actually, we are all correct. The answer is C. The PHO. The PHO is where the stress pattern is on. Then let's look at the. Okay, let me mark it for those that don't know. This is the answer here. 4 here is where the stress is on. Xenophobia. Now let's look at apologize. Apologize. So from the options letter A to D, choose the one that has the correct stress. Option A is saying the stress is on A. Option B is on poor. Option C or. Then option D, jize. So what's our answer? Please, what's our answer? Okay. Can we hear me?
Yes, sir.
So please, what are we going for? Or should I go to the rules again? Some of us are confused. Should we go back to the rules? For those people that are okay, let's go back to the rules. This is rule number 1. So apologize. Does it belong to this category? This is rule number. So this is rule number 1. Rule number 2. This is rule number 2. Does it belong to this category? Rule number 2 and rule number 3. And this is rule number 4. So, what are we going for?
The answer is D.
Okay, someone has given on option D.
Sir, your screen. Sir, pick C.
Okay. Okay, we have one. Okay, we have 5 people going for D, and 1 person is going for C. Okay. So let's quickly dig into it. I don't want us to waste much time. Okay, so the option now, I think from the rules, I've not really checked them, but the rules, words that end with IZ, apologize. It follows rule number 1. Let me go back to it. I think it follows rule number 1. For words that ends with IZE, I think we can see it. Can we all see it? Alright, so rule number 1, which is IZ, and rule number 1 says any word that ends with IZE has a stress on the first syllable from the part. So apologize. The answer is going to be words. The stress is going to be on G. The stress is going to be on GIZE, which is option D.